Hello guys, this is not Minecraft. This is a game called Cluster Truck. I've played it before, once, and I'm here to finish the desert world. Okay, so basically your goal is just to jump through a bunch of trucks and reach the end. My game, why do I? Okay, I've beaten the desert world before, but I'm starting over. It's like, oh, what? How do I die at the easiest? I'm gonna launch myself. Yeah! What? I overjumped it! Like, barely. I can literally also just ride to victory. There's like no truck drivers. Okay. The next one's the same thing, I guess. What? Before you just rode to victory, try to ride to victory and ride high. This one's like I can also ride to victory. That one just exploded. That one just flipped on top of another. Okay, this game apparently has crashing cars and exploding cars. Whoa, 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 what's going on here? There's collapsing things. Ah! Please! Oh my gosh, I barely did it! I flew. Just like that is super easy. Shift the sprint. I want to shift the sprint. That's my power I got from the first world. Slowing down. I thought those walls were frozen for a second. That one was also just super easy. Okay, you know what I feel like doing? Skipping to the forest. Okay. First one's decently hard. You have to like jump over that and then get on these cars. What? Okay, I think I just like drove off. Oh shoot! Can I just ride to victory under there? After that, I will have all the green dust in my face. What is this? No! Oh. So I can't like glide it through, I guess. Wow! Whoa! I was so pissed about crouching under. What? What are you crouching under? Control crouch. No, shift is first. C? No, not C. What? How? I barely hit my feet. Like, kills me. Yeah, broken ankles kills people, guys. Like, don't break ankles, it'll kill you. Be careful, guys. Broken ankles can kill. Oh my gosh, we actually really got that. Bye-bye, you guys. Those trucks are cooked. Their like insurance is gonna be so mad. Oh, this one. This is like the one I started with. When I first tried to do it, like the friend's house. No! Oh shoot! Each time, we'll make it easier. I'll put our heads. Oh shoot, what the heck? What the? I was not expecting that. I can do level up better before. What? I'll have double jump, which is what I used to beat the level up this house. Oh shoot, my wrist. Just like the first one over, I need to play this game. Yes! Oh my gosh, wait, what? Oh my gosh, I almost died there. Oh yeah, this one's like flying cars. Oh my gosh, ah! Flying cars! Oh wait, oh yeah, parkour! Oh shoot, what the? Okay, I'm actually just like gonna speed run this level. Then finish all the stages. through all the clusters of trucks. Yes! Oh, this one's like super hard. Sounds like not just like truck. It's quite easy. They're all like exploding. Wait, actually, I've never tried that strategy before on that level. Oh, this level is really hard. You have to like get off the trucks before they crash. Please. Ah! What? What just happened? Why did it just instantly? We're flying through the air! No! Oh shoot! Oh, what? Oh my gosh, my wrist! Why does it like hurt only whenever I play this game? Like Minecraft feels fine. It seems like I cannot. Please! No! Gosh, my wrist! Oh my gosh. Gotta be smart about this. Whoa! 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 What the frick? What? Gosh! No! Yes! Yes! What the? I'm trying to launch myself as far as I can. Trying to get as far as I can. Oh shoot! What the frick? Please! No! Oh my gosh! Okay. Please. Yes! We actually did it. Okay, we're in this level 2-6. More flying cars! What the? No. Oh shoot. What? What the? What the? I literally flew over that! The entire. What the heck? What's like one of the hardest ones? I just beat it instantly. It's like. Oh, just when you're at the like speed for it. Yes. Please. Yes. Oh my gosh. The freeze time is like so good. Oh my gosh. Yes, please. Yes. This is like. Okay. Okay. Now this is the level I was currently on before I made this video. So let's try like. Oh, what the? Oh my gosh. What the? This is like the longest, the furthest launch I've ever done in this. Because I've only seen you and my brother play it. So it's like, oh shoot, yeah, I forgot. So like, it's my thing. Can I fly through it? I forgot that's so we gotta like rush through this to get it. Please. Please. Yes! Oh my gosh! No way! I actually finished it. that fast. I spent like hours, or not hours, like 30 minutes trying to get that. Oh crap. Collapsing rocks. Collapsing rocks. What the? Oh, what the heck? I ran out of freeze time. Darn it. So we got. Now we're dealing with falling rocks. Oh, what the? Please, yes. We have to get through all these crashing rocks. What the? Are you serious right now, bro? Oh crap, my fingers are getting itchy now! Oh my gosh! What the frick? What was that? Oh, my fingers got itchy at the time, and I think that like made it like super launch me. Was I super launched my way all the way through for this level? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! These rocks are like taking out everyone. There's like 0 trucks left for me to cluster through. Oh shoot! Yes! Oh my gosh, wait. This is the last one of the... Wait, this is the last... I think I can just like... ride through. Please? Can I? Please? Please? There's someone at the door, and now I'm curious. What the heck is going on? Ah! What the heck? These clusters of trucks are going insane! Please stop moving truck. I need to jump on. Oh my gosh, please. What the? I'm gonna ride through this and see what happens next. Oh, the bar. How does that just happen? Just like pushing me up. Where is the driver in this car? What? This is where like they get on rocks. I wish there was like an F5 mode. No! Okay, so this like one is super hard. This one's like really hard. Will these rocks, will these cars continue, or trucks continue? Wait, I can maybe ride the please. Yes! 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 Oh my gosh, I actually finished this level! Yes! Wait, I have to finish the worlds to go to the next one. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Well, maybe next time we will maybe not even do Cluster Truck or Minecraft. Maybe I will try a new game. Well, bye.